The dangers of reusing cooking oil. Yes, you heard that right. It's something many of us do without a second thought, but it's time to rethink this habit. You might think you're being resourceful by reusing that oil, but hold up. There's more to this story than just saving a few bucks. When you reheat and reuse cooking oil, it breaks down and releases harmful chemicals like free radicals and toxic aldehydes. These substances are not just buzzwords, they have real implications for your health. Free radicals are unstable molecules that can damage your cells and lead to serious health issues. They're like little villains wreaking havoc inside your body. And those toxic aldehydes? They've been linked to heart disease, cancer, and inflammation. Scary, right? These are not minor issues. They can have long-term effects on your well-being. Alright, so what should you do instead? It's not all doom and gloom. There are safer alternatives. The best thing is to use fresh oil each time you cook. Fresh oil ensures that you're not introducing any harmful substances into your meals. I know it sounds wasteful, but your health is worth it. Think of it as an investment in your long-term well-being. If you must reuse oil, make sure to store it properly. Proper storage can mitigate some of the risks, but it's not a perfect solution. Filter out any food particles, let the oil cool completely, and store it in a dark, cool place. This helps slow down the degradation process. And remember, only reuse it a limited number of times. The more you reuse it, the more harmful it becomes. Each reheating lowers its smoke point, making it break down faster and become even more harmful. A lower smoke point means the oil will start to smoke and break down at lower temperatures, releasing even more toxins. So, next time you're tempted to reuse that leftover oil, think twice. Consider the potential health risks and make an informed decision. Your heart and body will thank you.